everybody, it's Mr. B here. We've been spending a lot of time talking about health insurance lately, and that's probably because it's open enrollment. But as we get closer to that final date, we decided to switch up the topics a little bit today. So just in review, we've talked a lot about how the right health insurance package can prevent you and your family from having to go bankrupt. That just having a good health insurance policy alone might not be enough to protect your family should something happen to you, and how Mr. B can help design a specific package to fit your family's needs on budget. Today we're going to switch that up a little bit, and we're going to talk about life insurance. Life insurance is the foundation of any financial plan for your family, because if somebody were to pass away, you don't lose that income. With that lost income, you can lose your house, you can lose your vehicles, you can lose your way to work, you can lose your retirement. So really an important aspect for any insurance agent or any financial planner to talk about with their clients. Today we're just going to quickly talk, this is life insurance 101. We're talking about the difference between term insurance and permanent insurance. So term insurance is just what it sounds like. It covers you for a specific term, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. The longer the term, the more expensive the policy is, because the more likely you are to die in that period. The life insurance company in that term period can't raise your premium, so it's set. That's awesome. Term insurance is typically the best insurance for most people, because all you have to do is cover your income until you retire, right? You want to make sure that you have enough to cover your mortgage, any debts that you have, and enough to put your kids through college, and also to have enough to replace any retirement income that you might have lost because of your unfortunate passing. Like I said, for most people, term insurance is the way to go because it's so inexpensive and it's so affordable. You can even usually get many of these policies issued right off the bat without any medical exams. That's amazing. Start with that. But there's the one thing that people don't like about term insurance, and that is if you make it through that end of the term, what are you going to get back? Nothing. You spent all this money. It's just like your auto insurance, right? You put all this money in, or your homeowner's insurance, you put all this money in, and then, at the end you move or you switch companies and you don't get anything back. Permanent insurance is designed to provide you a death benefit regardless as to your age, usually up to 100, 120, but it builds up what's called cash value. And you can call on that cash value to pay your bills while you're still contributing. A lot of people use it as a source for retirement income. It's really only good for people that are higher income tax brackets that are not eligible for a Roth IRA. You can literally put like hundreds of thousands of dollars a year into one of these permanent life insurance policies, and then take that money back when you retire, tax-free. The IRS allows you to do that. It's really amazing. But it comes at a price, and that's because it's more expensive for each dollar of life insurance, because the life insurance company knows that you're going to get something back, so you have to pay for that. That's kind of it in a nutshell. Determining what's best for you is something that any good insurance agent should be able to do. I'd love to help you, determine the dollar amount, typically between 7 and 12 times your annual salary. So if you make, $100,000 a year, you want to make sure you have at least $700,000. That's just a rule. For some people it's more, and for some people it's less. So if you have a lot of kids, or you have a lot of bills, if you're, younger and you think that you're going to be making a lot more, in the future. But if you're nearing retirement, for example, maybe it's less, because maybe your mortgage, maybe you only owe $50,000 on your mortgage. There's no real rule, to be honest with you. Anyhow, reach out to me. It's 321-621-4300. I'm a little dyslexic, and sometimes I say 3400, but my number is 321-621-4300. Of course, the website, www.helpmemrb.com. All right, guys, we're going to continue this, specifically more with the permanent insurance side and the benefits of life insurance besides just the death benefit. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.